Hello everyone, I am here to talk about intraoral films. So what is a film? An X-ray film is the image receptor system used in dental radiology. Broadly, films are classified as intraoral films and extraoral films. Intraoral films are mainly of three types: intraoral periapical film, bite-wing film and occlusal films. Now, today I am going to explain about the contents of an intraoral film packet. So, most common size of intraoral periapical film used is size 0 for children, which is 22 cross 35 millimeter. Next, size 2 for adults, which is 31 cross 41 millimeter. Now let's see what are the contents of the intraoral film packet. The film packet consists of an outer plastic wrapping. This is made up of soft vinyl, which is hermetically sealed, semi-stiff, moisture and light-proof. It protects the film from saliva and light. The white side of the film faces the X-ray tube. It has a raised dot which is called occlusal dot. This dot should face the occlusal margins of the tooth of interest. So, for maxilla, the occlusal dot faces downwards. For mandible, it faces upwards. Now the label side. The label side is color coded to distinguish the speed of the film. This color coded side faces the tongue when placed inside the mouth. The following information is usually printed on the label side of the film. That is the manufacturer's name and film speed. Now let's see what is inside this film packet. So on opening the film packet, a thin sheet of lead foil is placed. This foil absorbs most of the X-rays which pass through the film and prevent them from reaching tongue and other oral tissues. It also absorbs backscatter radiation and prevents fogging of the film. The lead foil also gives sufficient rigidity to the whole film packet. Next, a sheet of black paper wraps the film and protects from light leak. Now the X-ray film. This is an unexposed film which has a bluish tint with an embossed dot which helps to identify the quadrant and tooth number after the image is processed. This was about conventional image receptors. Now coming to digital image receptors, which are of two types: charged coupled device and photostimulable phosphor plates. These are solid state detectors called as sensors. The solid state detector has a light sensitive pixel on a pure silicon chip in a charged coupled device. Now, what is a pixel? A pixel is nothing but it's a picture element that consists of small electron well into which X-ray is deposited on the exposure. This is present in the silicon chip. These pixels are nothing but tiny squares which are numerous in number. So these pixels are arranged as rows in a matrix. So number of pixels are 512 cross 512 pixels in rows and columns. The pixel size is approximately 20 micron units. So charged coupling is a process whereby number of electrons deposited in each pixel is transferred from one well to the next in a sequential manner for image display. The sensor communicates with the computer through an electrical cable. Once the sensor captures radiographic image and then transmits the image to computer monitor within seconds. the image appears on the computer screen. The second digital image receptor commonly used is called photostimulable phosphor plate. This is a wireless digital radiography system. The image plate is flexible like an IOPA film and is reusable. It is coated with phosphor. Just like conventional films, this PSP plate also is available in 3 sizes. Size 0 for pediatric patients, size 2 for adults, which is used for periapical radiography, then size 4 for occlusion radiograph. The phosphor coating forms the latent image after X-ray exposure. The latent image is then converted to digital image through stimulation by laser light. This process occurs in a high-speed PSP scanner. So once after exposing, the PSP plate is introduced into the PSP scanner. Here it is stimulated by helium neon laser light of appropriate wavelength. Once PSP plates are stimulated, the energy stored within them from X-rays is released in the form of a blue fluorescent light. This light is converted into digital image by photomultiplier tube and displayed on the computer. The images recorded in the plate are erased and the plate is released from the scanner for further imaging procedure. Thanks for watching this video.